Some sharks, like bamboo sharks, don't swim but use their fins to walk along the seafloor. Sperm whales communicate using loud clicks, the loudest sounds made by any animal. There are over 4,700 species of frogs found on every continent except Antarctica. Dolphins have conical teeth used to catch fish and squid. There are over 40 different species of dolphins globally. Snails belong to the mollusk family, related to slugs, octopi, and clams. Blue tangs can make themselves semi-transparent to hide from predators. Penguins produce waterproofing oil from a gland to keep their feathers insulated and streamlined for swimming. Giant squids have eyes as large as basketballs, among the largest in the animal kingdom. Hippos play an important ecological role by transferring nutrients from land to aquatic ecosystems. Some species of hammerhead sharks gather in large schools during the day, then hunt alone at night. The Japanese spider crab is the largest crab species with a leg span up to 4 meters, 13 feet. Koalas communicate with loud bellows that males use to attract mates and establish dominance. Gray whales undertake one of the longest migrations of any mammal, traveling up to 12,000 miles between Arctic feeding grounds and Mexican breeding grounds. Elephants are the largest land animals and have big ears to help keep cool. They use their trunks to smell, breathe, drink, and pick things up. Jellyfish have radial symmetry, meaning their body parts radiate from a central point. They are very smart and can solve puzzles and open jars. When scared, an octopus can squirt ink to hide and escape from predators. Zebras eat grass and like to stay together to protect each other from predators. They are very fast runners and use their stripes to confuse predators. Clownfish reproduce by the female laying eggs on flat surfaces near the anemone, with the male guarding and fertilizing them. Different dog breeds have different jobs, like herding sheep, hunting, or being service animals. Many pufferfish species are also extremely toxic, containing tetrodotoxin, a substance up to 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. Horses are herd animals with strong social bonds. They can sleep both standing and lying down, thanks to a locking mechanism in their legs. Lions are called the king of the jungle because of their strength and mane. There are over 1,200 different breeds of sheep worldwide, each with unique characteristics. Hammerhead shark live in warm oceans and can grow very big, up to 20 feet long. Orcas use sophisticated hunting techniques and cooperate to capture prey. Walruses have giant tusks they use like tools for fighting, climbing ice, or digging. They make funny noises like grunts, whistles, and bellows. Hermit crabs are found in almost all marine environments, from sandy or muddy ocean bottoms to some species that occur occasionally. Sharks vary greatly in size, from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, only about 8 inches long, to the massive whale shark. Crocodiles have a palatal flap in their mouth to prevent water entry during submersion and can hold their breath underwater for up to around 5 hours. Chimeras are deep-sea fish related to sharks but look very strange with big eyes and long tails. Did you know starfish aren't actually fish? They are called sea stars because they have a star-like shape